Most people think being rich means buying stocks or trading every day. But what if I told you that you can build real wealth without ever touching the stock market? Sounds strange, right? This story is not about quick money or luck. It's about building a life where your money works for you quietly, even when you sleep. Anyone can do it, even if you earn a small amount today. The trick is to learn simple ways that most people ignore. You don't need to be a business expert or have a big house. You just need the right habits, small smart steps, and time. In this video, we'll explore the easiest path to build wealth without depending on stocks. Stay with me till the end. It might change how you see money forever. When money becomes a silent worker. Real wealth starts when your money doesn't rest, even when you do. Most people earn, spend, and then wait for the next month to start again. But wise people find ways to make their money work for them all the time. You don't have to buy big stocks or open a company. You can earn from small side jobs, online work, or by renting things you already own. Maybe you rent your old laptop, your car, or a room in your home. Even $10 or $20 from each small source can add up over time. It's like planting little money trees that grow quietly while you sleep. At first they seem small, but if you keep caring for them, one day they'll give you shade, comfort, and peace. The secret power of skill, wealth. Your skill is like hidden gold that no one can steal. You don't need to be rich to build it. You just need time and effort. A good skill can help you earn money for the rest of your life. Learn something useful that people always look for, like cooking, fixing phones, painting, or editing videos. These simple skills can bring you $50, $100, or even $200 every week if you practice and improve. Skills grow stronger every time you use them. Stocks may rise and fall, but your skill never leaves you. Each new thing you learn adds another open door to your future. When you spend your time learning instead of wasting it, you're quietly building a treasure that keeps giving back forever. Turning time into gold. Time is like invisible gold. If you use it well, it turns into something valuable. Most people spend their days watching shows or scrolling through their phones, but smart people use that same time to build something that lasts. Spend at least 1 hour every day doing something that could help you earn in the future. You can start a YouTube channel, make handmade crafts, learn coding, or open a small online shop. It may not grow fast, but it will grow surely. Each day you stay patient, your small work becomes stronger. Just like gold takes time to shine, your work takes time to bloom. If you keep going, that slow progress will one day give you true freedom. The quiet magic of saving. Saving first is one of the most powerful habits that can change your life. When you earn money, don't rush to spend it. Take a small part, even $5 or $10, and save it before you touch the rest. That money becomes your helper, your safety, and your peace. Over time, those small amounts grow into something big enough to handle hard days or start a business. You don't need to earn a lot to save, you just need to start. Saving makes you strong because it teaches you control. Rich people stay rich because they save first and spend later. The quiet magic is that even a little saving done every week builds a wall of strength around your future. Making small ideas pay big. Every big dream starts from one small idea. You don't need millions to begin. Just one smart thought that solves a small problem. Maybe you sell handmade bracelets, teach kids online, make birthday decorations, or bake cakes at home. People will always pay for things that make their lives easier or happier. Even a $2 idea can grow into $200 or more if you keep working on it with care. Small ideas grow when you listen to what people need and give it to them with love. That's how many simple people around the world quietly became rich, by turning little ideas into big success through effort and kindness. The power of renting, not owning. Owning. Everything is not always the best way to earn. Sometimes renting things can bring more money with less effort. Many people rent their extra rooms, cars, tools, or even clothes for special events. Apps like Airbnb or Turo made this easy, but you can also do it locally. If something is lying around unused, let it make money for you. Even renting a room, camera, or sound system can bring $20, $50, or $200 a month. The goal is to let your things earn instead of sleep. Each small rent adds up, and soon it becomes another stream of income. This is one of the simplest ways to build wealth slowly, safely, and smartly, using what you already have. Building wealth with the people around you. Wealth grows faster when hearts and hands come together. Working alone can feel heavy, but when you share ideas with others, the load becomes lighter. You can start something small with your friends, maybe a home bakery, a school project, or an online page that sells crafts. Each person adds their own magic. One may be good at art, another at talking to people, and another at handling money. When people trust and help each other, small dreams turn into real results. True wealth is not only about money, it's about strong teamwork, trust, and friends who lift you higher. Turning simple habits into money. Real wealth hides in your small, daily habits. You don't need to make big changes, just tiny steps done every day. If you learn to control your spending, plan your week, and stay away from useless shopping, you already live smarter than most people. Cooking at home, walking instead of driving, or learning one new skill each week can save and earn more than you think. Each good habit becomes like a brick in your money wall, making it strong and safe. Over time, these small actions quietly turn into real freedom. You don't have to be rich to start, you just have to start to become rich. The hidden strength of patience. Patience is the quiet power that makes money grow slowly but surely. Many people want quick success, but quick things often break fast. Real success is like planting a tree. It needs water, time, and care. If you stay calm and keep saving, learning, and working, your roots will grow deep even when no one sees them. One day, they'll rise and give you more than you dreamed. Warren Buffett also says that money moves from the impatient to the patient, so don't rush. Stay kind to yourself and keep doing your best. Time will reward you when you least expect it. Using knowledge as currency. Knowledge is like gold that never fades. You don't need to spend money to gain it. You only need curiosity and time. Every time you read, listen, or learn something new, your mind becomes sharper. You begin to see chances where others see nothing. People who know more can teach, build, and create things that earn forever. You can learn from free videos, books, or mentors who already walked the road you want to take. The more you know, the easier it becomes to turn ideas into income. When your brain grows stronger, your wallet follows, because smart thinking is the real key to wealth. Building freedom, not just. Wealth money alone cannot make you happy. Freedom can. Real wealth means waking up without fear, working because you want to, not because you have to. It means having time for family, rest, and dreams. You build this kind of life by keeping your needs small, having many small ways to earn, and using your time wisely. Maybe you earn from a skill, rent something, or run a small shop online, all while staying peaceful. That's true freedom, when your money works quietly in the background and your heart stays light. Real wealth is not about gold or numbers. It's about peace, purpose, and control over your own time. You don't need the stock market to build wealth. You need patience, skills, and a plan. Your journey begins with small, simple steps. Learn a skill, save a little, start a side project, or rent something you already have. Every move you make brings you closer to a safer and richer future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple lessons about money and life. Share this video with others who dream of financial freedom. Remember, you don't have to be lucky to be rich. You just have to start smart, one small step at a time.